welcome back to Marita's channel, and today we are gonna opening up this Palace Pets figures, and it is one set midis, and it comes with two figures. And I found this at Target, so let's go ahead and check out this, and I will let you guys know their names at the last of the video. So let's get started. I'm so excited about this because this is my first time opening up this Palace Pets. So yeah. Also, Palace Pets is not like LPS though. Palace Pets is just 20 black, so this is the one that we got. So let's pop them out. Wow. Here we go. And this is the one. Okay. So I will show you guys. We got Daisy right here. This is Daisy. She's really pretty. I really like her. And wait, this kind of hard though. We got Windflower. This is Windflower. It's like a fox because the tail was very like big. One thing that I like her is like she has her hair very beauty. So yeah, so there is 12 different kind of to collect. So it shows you the back, and you can also the free app. So we got, wait, what is this? We got Daisy, and Daisy is from Rapunzel Pets. So cool, and I really love her little pink bow over there. And Windflower is from Pocahontas. Right guys, this is all for today, and thank you for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.